John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Becklin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Well, what a wonderful setting we've got for this game, John. The atmosphere is absolutely fantastic.
The teams then, Real Madrid against Manchester United. He's on a real charge. Chance. It's an opportunity. They've scored. What a way to open the game.
That's a dream start for this team, and they'll need to contain their joy a little and focus now on how they're going to follow it up.
A fine goal. A real delight to watch. They've scored a goal so early in the game.
Listen, whatever the manager has said before the game started, it's worth the treat. This is bright.
Today is El Gran Clasico, and you don't need me to tell you the significance of this match. I'm John Champion, alongside me is Jim Becklin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Hi John, it's been a great buzz here since I sat in my seat. I think this promises something special today.
And here we have Real Madrid against Barcelona. It's opened up nicely for him. A great save by Victor Valdez. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
I thought he did so well to win possession of the ball in such a good position. He had to have a goal.
Xabi Alonso. That was well hit.
Well, he caught the defence off guard, but that was about it. There's plenty for his teammates to be unhappy about. Oh, this has been such a positive approach from them in the early part of this game. Everybody is programmed to get forward, and despite a couple of failed attempts, they are the better side.
Oh, it's been cut out. From the counter. Here's Cesc Fabregas. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. 15 minutes have passed. Wants to get this forward. A really impressive run through. He can take the shot on here, puts it away. It's 1-0.
Well, it's so rare to see that kind of ability in the modern game. I'm just delighted it ended in a goal. Great stuff.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. They get us underway at 1-0.
Oh, look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Break is on. Slid into space on the flank. Going. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, he's lost it. Plays this forward. Could be a chance now. Driven in. Blocked. It's a solid piece of defending. He's got it in. Marcelo cuts it out. It's on for him. Can he now find a finish? Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that's a vital stop.
And that wasn't exactly a routine save. He still had an awful lot to do to keep that out. Superb.
Wonderful header. A decent try, but not good enough. Thiago. They'll be quite happy to keep this advantage intact through to half-time, but it won't be easy. Cesc Fabregas. Maybe now. Oh, and he'll be disappointed with that. He's been flagged offside. Alexis Sanchez. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time. It's a cage edgy game, this one. Plenty to fascinate the spectators, though. The score is 1-0. Real Madrid against Barcelona. It's given. Well, it's a booking. No surprise, really. Have to agree with the ref there. Defender didn't get anywhere near the ball. No complaints about that. And Real Madrid with a set piece. It's a good block. Stout defending. Picked it off. The ball is with Messi. Oh, that's a good tackle at all. Free kick given. Oh, red card! Well, not the best of tackles, it's true, but surely that's a little harsh. He can't believe it. And I'm sure his manager too will have plenty to say about that afterwards. And Messi is marauding forward. That stopped the danger. And the defence really dug the keeper out there. Throw in. They've got another throw in. Xavi! Keeper claims it.
Look, they haven't had that many shooting opportunities against this defence, but along with some patience now, they need to find a bit more invention and craft.
Maria. A chance! Pushed away. Cesc Fabregas. Sergio Ramos makes the interception. Nowhere near the ball. Foul given. So a free kick in a position of some promise. It's that familiar gunslinger pose again. What can Cristiano Ronaldo do from this free kick? The ball's with Cesc Fabregas. We're almost in the final quarter of an hour. Messi. And Cristiano Ronaldo. That'll be a throw-in. This is the last substitution they're allowed.
And it's a fairly obvious change to make at this stage, and he'll be watching the rest of the game from the bench.
Now he's ready for a shot. They've scored. They've taken a giant leap towards winning this game. A devastating counter-attack that executed, I would have to say, to perfection.
Well, you know, that's what usually happens in football. When one team is careless, the other is only too willing to capitalise.
Now it's 2-0. Cleared nicely. Cesc Fabregas. Iniesta. Iniesta's cross. Cesc Fabregas. The keeper always the favourite there.
Yeah, I'm sure he was trying to place it in the corner of the net, but he's not likely to score by firing straight at the keeper.
There's the final